Hello guys, ayan guys, magbabaklas tayo ng wall pan. Ayan, kasi hindi na siya gumagana. Tatanggalin natin. Tatanggalin ko pala guys. Ayan guys, kung baka lang sa aking YouTube channel, baka pwede naman paki-subscribe at please click the kalimbang button para sa mga basic nating tutorial. Ito guys, kasi ano na to guys, talaga yung motor sira na yung winding. Ayan, medyo matigas. Medyo mahirap lang guys buksan at tigas. Okay guys, yung bago lang sa aking YouTube channel, baka pwede naman paki-subscribe at pakikalimbang mo na rin ang kalimbang button dyan. Ngayon guys, sa wall pan replacement motor tayo. Ngayon guys, or dismantling. Siyempre dismantling muna natin to. Siyempre dismantling, siyempre basic dismantling. Ayan guys, ito guys ang wall pan dismantling. Okay, tanggalin pala natin yan. Ayan guys, tanggalin mo lang yan para may labas. Ito yung lock nya. Medyo matigas. Ayan guys yung pin. Ito guys yung wiring ito. Ayan yung wiring. Ayan siya yung wiring nya. Ito tanggalin din natin yan. Ayan guys, yung ginamit na magnet wire is alum. Ayan, alum siya. Kaya mabilis bumigay pag mga ganito yung ginagamit na winding. Ayan siya guys, alum. Ayan guys, yung connection nya ay capacitor. So guys, yung dalawa yung capacitor na yan, yung dalawang itim. itim pala at red. Ayan, capacitor siya. Ayan, dalawang itim capacitor. Ito connection. Tapos ito guys yung ano niya, yung rotating motor. Ayan, yung kaliwat kanang motor, ito yun. And then ito guys yung connection. Tanggalin natin yan. Tapos ito guys, ayan, huwag natin itong isasama, yung rotating motor nya, yung swing motor nya. Ang tatputulin natin ay dito. Ayan guys, apat yan. Ito apat siya na wire. Apat, anim kasama yung ano niya. Ito. Yan guys. Yan yung capacitor niya. Yung dalawang block na yan is capacitor. Ayan guys, yung capacitor niya is 1.5 microfarad. This one, see, this one, the motor capacitor for the wall pan motor. And guys, this one the motor winding for the wall pan. This one the using and using, you know, as using alum magnet wire. That's one. This one. This one guys is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leads, 2 in the capacitor and 4 in the speed motor. And guys, this motor guys is you know, is born. See, this one is burning inside. This one guys, is available in the market. Only bring this one in the rewinding shop, and then you put this one there, because the rewinding shop have available for this winding. And guys, if you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and please click the kalimbang button. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you very much to all my subscribers. That's it. Next time again guys. Thank you. Bye bye. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and please click the bell button. Thank you so much guys.